Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll break down an important and super useful concept in NumPy, the difference between shape and reshape. These are essential when working with arrays and performing data transformations in Python. Let's get right into it. The shape attribute in NumPy tells you the dimensions of your array. For example, if the shape is 2 cross 3, it means 2 rows and 3 columns. It's especially helpful when you are dealing with large data sets and want to know the structure of the data at any point. The reshape function is used to change the structure or shape of your array. For example, from a 1D array to a 2D array. In this case, we started with 9 elements in a 1D array and reshaped it into a 3 cross 3 2D array. Keep in mind the number of elements must remain same when reshaping. If you try to reshape into a shape that doesn't match the original size, NumPy will throw an error. So that's the difference between shape and reshape in NumPy. Use shape to check the structure of your array and reshape to transform it when needed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials on Python, data science and NumPy. See you in the next one.